I'm often asked what keeps me up at night, as many security folks are. What do I not know? The environment's changing so quickly. Threats are evolving rapidly. Infrastructure and scale of how the business operates is moving very, very quick. AI plays a significant role in security in today's environments. The massive amounts of data that are generated both by our existing environments and our ever-growing usage of cloud services and SaaS services in our business organizations. The scale is just something as humans we're not able to analyze and process ourselves. AI helps us give insights. So the hardest part about any security program is understanding where to focus your resources. How do you know where to prioritize security against other business decisions? The Security AI Assistant for Elastic for Threat Intelligence has enabled our analysts to focus much more of their time on the critical aspects of intelligence. 75% of our analysts' time is now saved from summarizing and writing reports to spending that time really analyzing what's the potential impact to Elastic and where do we need to focus our limited resources.
There's so much information out there about what threat actors are doing, what threat groups are trying to achieve, and the amount of data for even a large threat intelligence team is huge, and the Search AI platform really helps us to get through that in an efficient and manageable way. Our goal is to give actionable insights to our customers or our stakeholders through reporting. What we have here is an article published by our Elastic Security Labs research team. So when we get articles like this, what we want to do is analyze not only what's happening and what the threat actors are attempting to do, but what it means to our stakeholders, and in our case, what it means to Elastic as a company. So what we want to do is take all the information available and get it into a format that's easy for us to digest and easy for us to do what we call our impact and relevance statement to make sure we are telling our stakeholders why this matters to us. What we're going to do is copy all the information from the article and go over to our AI assistant for security and tell it to use a template that it already has stored in its knowledge base, along with this information, to produce a report that will fit in our template and we can use for our analysis. And what this will do is it'll allow the AI assistant to digest all of that information and format it in a way that we can quickly and efficiently take it and put it into our format and our publication process. And now we're about 70% of the way to having a full report that we can publish to our stakeholders.
We're focusing on using the AI Security Assistant to continue to help us understand that threat environment, that threat landscape, and how do we apply that information and that knowledge to the Elastic environment.